Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 12 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and here in this left section find the sounds. Here, as you can see, we've got the whole section connected with the ringtones, and the ringtones I'd like to show you are on the first two positions. Of course, you can change also the notification and the alarm sounds. So here the ringtone is divided between two different SIM cards, which is quite a cool option because you can set totally different ringtone for the first and totally different ringtone for the second SIM card. Let me show you how to do it using the first one. So for example, let me tap on it. And as you can see, after tapping, we will have this pop-out window with all of the ringtones which are installed by a default here on this device. At the very bottom of this list, we've got this option Add Ringtone, which simply means that if you've got any kind of ringtones, for example, downloaded from the internet or recorded by yourself, then you will be able to find them in your internal storage somewhere here in the for example, Google Drive, or you can pick totally different folder. If they will be compatible, you will be able to set them as a ringtone. On the other hand, at the top of this list, we've got the option None, which simply means that after picking it, your device will not notify you by using a sound about the incoming call. Of course, you will be able to still see it, but you will not hear any kind of ringtone. So here, if you'd like to listen how the particular ringtone sounds before setting it, of course, just tap on it and you will be, let me volume it down a little bit. You will be able to hear it, you'll be able to check if you like it or not. And if you do, just make sure that it is marked. So in my case, it's Calypso Seal, and tap on OK. And as you can see, it will be immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your Blackview Tab 12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.